perfect. So alrighty guys, just checking in with you. I went and just got mail, and yeah, I actually opened this one and I was like, oh wait, let me go ahead and vlog the opening or whatever. So just for shits and giggles, and just because you guys know that I'm a big Blues Clues fan, I'm gonna go ahead and sing. I just got a letter, I just got a letter, I just got a letter, I wonder who it's from. Do 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 do. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, I'm a big Blues Clues fan, and so for those who are watching and know me, I had to sing the letter thing. But yeah, you guys are in a new space in my home. Not really. I just thought the lighting was good here, and so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Shut up and open this, if you will. Yes, I just opened this. Excuse me, I'm flashing my address around. And yeah, anywho, yay, I wonder what it is. So actually, I know what it is. It is from a place called Boba Tribe, and they originally gave me two of the like reusable straws, and one of them broke, so this is what it looks like. So cute. I love the packaging. It's like perfect. And I had to complain because the last time they packaged it, it was really just awful. And yeah, so this is the packaging, and here is the little keychain. And basically what it is you open it up here, and you, like, if you had a boba tea with a lid that is plastic, like it's a cellophane lid, you poke it with this end, this sharp end, and basically you pull out this handy dandy convenient silicone straw. This is the holder, by the way, and you can hook all that together, but you pull out this handy dandy silicone straw, and it has the name of the brand. You can't really see it, but yeah, and then you just tuck it in. Hold on, let me go ahead and assemble it for you guys. And yeah, I basically got trapped by Instagram, one of those freaking ads, stupid ads. But those of you guys who know me, I am a huge boba tea drinker. I actually am like in the process of being a franchisee of Hella Bubble, so yeah, there's that. And it does take a minute, so that's kind of like one of the downfalls of this product. But yeah, there it is. And then it becomes a straw. It's super sturdy. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and shake it and it doesn't come apart. However, like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and rip it off, right? Like, you can open it up, right? I wish I had a boba tea drink with me. But basically you open it up and you can just rinse it out, and it's such an easy clean. And then you go ahead and roll it back up, and for traveling purposes and convenience purposes, you just put it back right in there. Boom, boom, bop, pada pang. And it's so cute. If you haven't already seen it in my other vlogs, I have the broken one on my keychain because I was like, well, I'm not gonna throw this away because it's cracked. It's like cracked right down the middle. But until it completely breaks, I'll go ahead and keep it until, yeah, anyway. So that's that. I love it. Definitely would recommend. It's come in handy sometimes. However, if you eat like more of the toppings, like if you drink more of the toppings that are a bit larger, such as the large tapioca balls, or red bean, or egg pudding, that is not good with that straw, just so y'all know. But so if you are an average, oh my god, I couldn't talk right now. If you are an average boba tea drinker, definitely go and get you one of those. Okay, and then I have another one here. I told this lady, so I actually bought this stuff off Depop. I told the lady that she could just give me any recycled mailer and I would be happy with that. So let's go ahead and open this. Oops. Yay. So, 2 things came from this. I wonder if she put a name. Okay, her name is also Nicole, so it's May Nicole. So shout out to you, May Nicole. I love your shop. She actually added a bunch of stuff. I'll go ahead and link her Depop handle at the bottom so that way you guys can check out her shop. But anyway, I went ahead and got this really cute panda tank. It's so cute. I'm definitely gonna wear it for like workout and stuff like that, so that'll be really cute. And then I also got this Buddha bowl, Grain, Greens, and Proteins by Hannah. And then, so yeah, that's what I got here because I am planning to go vegan for longer periods of time. Right now I am vegetarian, on and off vegetarian, which is pretty okay. Like, I'm not gonna shoot myself in the foot with that because honestly, at least I'm trying. I am making a difference in the little steps that I do take. Granted, I can't take as large of steps as other people, but still, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me go ahead and just open it here. So this is cool. Like, it lists all the proteins, like, just so you guys know, if you are planning to go vegetarian and or someday become vegan or cold turkey become vegan, these are the proteins: tofu, beans, lentils, quinoa, nuts, seeds, and then for vegetarians it's eggs, cheese, yogurts, and kefir. I don't know if you say that right. It's K-E-F-I-R, kefir. I just say kefir, whatever. And then yeah, it has all these fun recipes that I'm definitely gonna go and check out. Let me go see if I can find so those are desserts. I wanna see, these are morning bowls. Ooh, that looks really good. Ooh, my mouth is running. Let's show you that eggplant one. Where'd that eggplant one go? Oh, where'd the eggplant one go? Oh, this looks super good. So this is an eggplant bowl. Oh my God, Buddha bowl, and look how delicious that looks. Like, I honestly cannot wait to make these beautiful creations. And yeah. Ooh. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and start collecting some more cookbooks because I have my own kitchen, and even better, I have my own kitchen where I have more space. I have endless counter space, and it's just me and Arturo here. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to collecting some more cookbooks. But yeah, so catch you guys in a little bit. Peace.